This is Mirde with the WTI, and if you're looking for a cross trainer shoes, then I'll definitely recommend you to try the new Valence cross trainer shoes. Besides that, they're pretty, they work very well. I have problem on my legs. I have problem that I was having that after working out. I was having some pain in my lower back. So when I went to the doctor, he said that I need to change my shoes, something that has very good support. And when I was looking for different shoes, I found these ones and they've been working great. When I'm working out, just lifting or any type of exercise like that, the only shoes that I'll be wearing is going to be this one. Very good quality. I've been wearing these for almost 2 years now, and they've been working great. Since I start wearing these, I have no problem with my lower back after exercising. So I really recommend you to try if you're looking for a good trainer shoes, especially when you're lifting. But this is just my point of view.